you take a bite? Let me fix it for you. No, no, no. Hold this spoon. There you go. Good job. No! Miss Pris. Did you drop your spoon? Did you throw your spoon on the floor? Why'd you throw your spoon on the floor? You threw it down. You threw it down. Let me get another one. Let's get a little one. Okay. Let me help you. There. Try that one. Okay. Good job. Very good. No, 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 no. No. Don't throw it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it, Riley. Give me that. Let's get another bite. Dropped it. Let me see. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Thank you. No, 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 no. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Get the spoon. Feed yourself with the spoon. Get the spoon. There you go. Good. Very good. Nope. Put it down. You want to eat out of the bowl? No. No, 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 no. Here, let me fix the spoon. Okay. Wow. Made a mess. Oh, flung it everywhere. No, why'd you drop the spoon? No. No. No, no, no. Oh.